As we take a look at this week's weather, it's really going to change for the better as lows remain probably in the upper 50s and lower 60s in San Antonio. That's morning temperatures. Afternoon highs will trend right around normal in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Outside right now, it's clear, beautiful way to wrap up the weekend. Our high temperature today was 86, and the last 7 days have again been trending in the right direction. Upper 80s, lower 90s. Today 86. That's been the coolest day so far this month. It just started, but the first day of September this time last weekend 96, and you can see a vast difference over the last 7 days. Below average temperatures and a much cooler weather pattern here in San Antonio. Speaking of downtown SA, 85. The air is very dry. The dew points are running in the upper 40s right now, a northeast wind taking the edge off that and also keeping the air very dry. 87 at Seguin, 92 at Del Rio, 86 at San Marcos, 88 at Carrizo Springs, and there are those winds north and northeast, 15, 25 miles an hour, up I-35, and similar numbers east towards Seguin and Gonzales, running at about 15 miles an hour. Now here's the forecast overnight. Starting at 10 p.m. this evening, 10 o'clock tonight, middle 70s, going to be perfect weather, clear skies and a light breeze in from the north and northeast. By tomorrow morning, lower to middle 60s, and a lot like this morning, we'll see hill country regions from Bernie to Fredericksburg, Kerrville dip down into the middle to upper 50s tomorrow morning. A light chill on the air for the hill country for early Monday morning. Tomorrow's forecast, 89, mostly sunny, a couple degrees warmer than today. Overall, beautiful weather on tap to kick off the new work week. Average this time in September, 92, so a few degrees cooler than that with very, very low humidity. We love to see it. In the Gulf of Mexico, the tropics are getting very active. This is what we're calling, or what the Hurricane Center is designating, potential tropical cyclone 6. By tomorrow, likely strengthening into Tropical Storm Francine. And then notice how much rain's associated with it. Very disorganized. It doesn't have a defined area of circulation just yet. Right now, winds between 40 and 50 miles an hour. Again, disorganized. Watch what happens on the forecast. By Monday night, Tuesday morning, the low starts to traverse farther north. The tropical bands associated with this system swinging onshore towards Brownsville, Corpus Christi. So Monday afternoon, Monday night, and Tuesday morning could be very wet for the Texas Gulf Coast. Conditions continue to deteriorate by Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, where there will be a flooding threat from Brownsville to Corpus Christi. But it looks like the low, the tropical storm itself, remains offshore. Most of the rain moving towards Houston and Louisiana, or then the flooding threat will remain towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday later in the week. You can see San Antonio, we may see a couple of isolated cells off this storm system, but it looks like a tenth to a quarter at best in the forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. 14-day forecast, 89 tomorrow, 90 on Tuesday. The morning's phenomenal. Lower 60s tomorrow morning, upper 50s for the hill country. Tuesday, very similar with rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday, isolated storms thanks to that tropical system. And by the weekend, we're dry, highs in the 90s, but tomorrow, Phil, lower 60s. Can't ask for much better weather.